The large number of building materials that have to be mixed with very different properties require a wide range of solutions. To get good results in a short time, one needs the right machine, but also the right attachment for the job. Two factors have to be taken into account here. The quantity to be mixed determines the diameter, and the type of material determines the geometry and therefore the effect. Here we show a few practical examples of different attachments. Tinting of emulsion paint with the LX Turbo. The unusual shape of this attachment produces powerful circulation from top to bottom at high speeds, distributing the concentrated dye rapidly throughout the material. The LX is suitable for all liquids such as gloss or emulsion paint, paste, coatings of various kinds and epoxy resin. Mixing coloured rendering with the FM. This classic attachment is designed for the home handyman or the professional and also mixes from top to bottom, which reduces the amount of splashing. It's suitable for medium duty and is very versatile for primers and paints, finishing coats and lightweight plaster. Preparing grouting and two-component coatings with the KR stirrer. This easy-to-clean attachment is particularly suitable for powders and sticky materials. Dry inclusions tend to occur with such materials, but the high shear forces of the KR quickly homogenize them. A workable mix is achieved in a very short time. The KR also gives very good results when mixing two-component bitumen coatings. The parallel mixing action with a very high suction effect prevents lumps forming, which can often be a problem here. The result is a very homogeneous mix and very little material left behind on the stirrer. Cement screed with the MK. This is the heavy-duty attachment for tough professional use over a long period. It's suitable for all heavy and viscous materials such as mortar, rendering or screed containing quartz sand. The three mixing vanes have a powerful screw action, forcing the material rapidly from bottom to top. It's important to use a powerful motor to drive it. The vane should be fully submerged during mixing to reduce the amount of entrained air. This is the mirror image of type MK. It circulates the material from top to bottom and so prevents it splashing out of the container. It's for large batches of paint and other liquid materials, or creamy plaster with a high water content. Viscous materials offer a high resistance with this attachment, so it needs a fairly powerful motor. Adhesives with the WK. This is the most popular type of attachment, with a double helix to transport the material from bottom to top. The shallow angle means low resistance and less load on the motor. The WK is suitable for a wide variety of materials, in particular all kinds of adhesive, fillers and proprietary plaster or rendering. The right motor depends on how much mixing one has to do. An electric drill is recommended only for lighter jobs that are quickly finished because it tends to overheat after a while. In this comparative test you can immediately see the ergonomic advantages of the Colomix handheld stirrer compared to a drill. The handles are designed for the natural position of a hand and arm, allowing the user to adopt a normal stance without stooping. That's much less tiring when you're working all day and mixing stiff materials. CX hand stirrers, power mix technology and a design that sets standards. Highly functional and ergonomic. There are 4 models rated at 1000 to 1600 watts. That power has to be put to good use, of course. The new reduction gears produce maximum torque where it's needed. The right balance of power, speed and stirrer geometry mean excellent performance and low fatigue. The new safety switch fitted to the CX machines meets the latest regulations. A detent prevents the motor starting unintentionally. The electronic trigger allows you to control the speed very easily. The proven shape of guard makes laying down and picking up the machine easy, and also protects it from dirt or damage if accidentally dropped. The Colomatic Duo with its 2 counter-rotating spindles does a very thorough job and is twice as fast as a single spindle machine. The 2-hand switch is a great safety feature found in no other handheld stirrer. The counter-rotating stirrers make the job much easier because no torque reaction is transmitted to the hands. The RSU stand makes the work much easier. The stirrer can be moved in all directions with a minimum of effort, so no pockets of unstirred material are left in the container. Of course, the stand is equally suitable for single spindle machines. An attachment is available for holding a metal container in place. It's foot operated, very convenient. Single-speed machines can be converted to variable speed with our Type E electronic unit. It also includes a delay switch, allowing mixing times between 90 and 180 seconds. That means precise timing even with a handheld stirrer, an added safety factor and ideal for multi-component coating materials. A hobhook rounds things off. After mixing, you can carry the material single-handed to where it's needed.